Okay, and we're off. So here we have the Galaxy S10 Plus on the left-hand side with the Snapdragon 855, and we have the Huawei P30 Pro with the Kirin 980 on the right-hand side. Now, the P30 Pro is in performance mode. So this is the best performance you're going to get out of this device. Performance mode is on for the P30 Pro. So how does it compare to the Snapdragon 855 in the S10 Plus? And already a quick lead there I can see by the S10 Plus when going into that bloom test. What's going to happen as we go through these tests? Will the... And absolutely, look at that. Oh my life, the SQL light test, I didn't hardly blinked and it just went. Now, it was quick there on the P30. It was not a bad time, but that was slower than the S10 Plus. So the S10 Plus now has a lead already into the 2D gaming test. Will the P30 Pro be able to catch up? Now, on screen now, we have some of the specifications. Couple of things to note, that the 855 has one prime core clocked at over 2.8 gigahertz. Then it has three similar cores clocked slightly lower, and then four Cortex A55 cores, because Qualcomm are calling them all Cryo cores. And of course, you've got the Adreno 640, and of course, the Kirin 980 has got two 2.6 gigahertz A76 cores, then slightly lower clocked, two more cores, and then four Cortex A55 cores. Of course, we've got the difference between the Adreno 640 and the Mali G76 MP10, and both devices are into the Unity test, and they really are flying through it. There's no doubt about it. But now the S10 Plus is coming up to the castle scene. It's doing that smoothly, nicely. It's got right to the end. It's already in the compression. It's clearly in the lead now. 7, 8, 9, 10, and there we have it, 1 minute 32 seconds, and I've given you there the CPU mixed and the GPU result at the bottom. Now the P30 is into the compression test. 9, 10, there we go, 1 minute and 42 seconds, so 10 seconds slower on the overall speed test G run. Okay, let's do a bit of post-game analysis there. Few things to remember. The P30 Pro was in performance mode, and the S10 Plus was running in its full HD plus screen resolution. So that's not the full resolution, because that's how Samsung ship it, in full HD plus. So the screen resolutions were pretty equal, and this is the fastest time you're going to get from the P30 Pro. So what do we have? The Snapdragon 855 has that one prime core, which is clocked higher than the high clocked cores in the Kirin 980. Then you've got 1 + 3 + 4, so then you've got those three other cores, and then the Cortex A55 cores. In the Kirin, you've got the 2 + 2 + 4, and of course in one you've got the Adreno 640, and in the other you've got the Mali G72. Now the Kirin lost by 10 seconds, and when you look at the breakdown of the scores there, it lost a few seconds in each category. So a few seconds in the CPU based ones, a few seconds in the mixed ones, and a few seconds in that Unity test, and when you add it all together, it gives you that 10-second difference. So that remains like that the Snapdragon 855 in the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is still the fastest device ever to complete speed test G. Okay, that's it. My name's Gary Sims. This is Gary Explains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and well, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.